Assalamualaikum and good day, co-agents. Welcome to Bulletin Che'gu, together with me, Asif Ahmad. Throughout this month of Ramadan, Kuliyyah of Education comes alive with a series of meaningful programs to nurture our faith and spread compassion. As the new semester arrives, Year Ramadan 3.0 returns once again, starting with Hadith sharing featuring Ustaz Muhammad Bahaki on the 10th, 11th, and 12th at Lecture Theatre 1. Moving on, Bukan Kosong was held on the 11th and Edu Square with speakers from various backgrounds, touching on topics ranging from Ramadan giveaway to leadership through example. In conjunction with this month, a session with 4th Emerita Dr. Ryoko Tsuneyoshi was conducted on the 12th at Lecture Theatre 1, focusing on the topic Educating the Whole Child, the Tokatsu Model in Schooling. Meanwhile, Rentabiah Talk 2.0 took center stage at the main auditorium on the 14th, bringing an insightful discussion on the ultimate jihad, battling the inner struggle. The session emphasized the path to overcoming nafs and embracing true jihad through self-discipline and faith. As the tradition of the Kuliyyah, Koi Assembly took place on the 14th at Lecture Theatre 1. This assembly featured the launch of Year Ramadan 3.0 and introduced the new members of Koi bodies. Additionally, there was Street Dawah as an initiative to share the beauty of Islam with the IIUM community on the 17th at Riverside IIUM. Furthermore, Quranic Circle Tadarus Al-Quran has been conducted from 10 to 18, providing a platform for participants to recite and reflect on the Quran. A total of 15 circles has been established, each led by the appointed of Nakib and Nakibah. Lastly, Ketuk-Ketuk Ramadan was conducted at Edu Square on the 19th, as well as fun activities such as making Kuliyyah guessing game, and more. That is all for this month's recap of Kuwait. Thank you for tuning in. This was Asif Ahmad with Chegu TV, Read Teachers Inspire.